Hi all. Now we will download the Care Connect app from our smartphone. With this app, we can access the entire HR data from our smartphone. So now go to Google Play Store and type Alt Work Live. Once you types it, it will show like this, and then click on download. As I have downloaded earlier, it is showing as update. For freshers or for new employees, it will show as download. So it will take some time. Once it is downloaded, you can click on the open. Once you click on that screen will be showing like this, and then here we need to type the domain name as care.peoplestrong.com. Once we type the domain name, then it will leads to the home page of the username and password. So type the username as your employee ID and put the password. For new first time users, we need to put as demo as the password, DEMO. So once you put the demo as password, and it will ask for the changes of the password, you can change the password. Once you change the password, you can access the app and click on the continue button, and then next, and then next, and then next. So once everything is being done, your home page will see shown like this. So here to do tasks will be there. Once we click on that, so as of now I have these many tasks I have to complete. Maybe as a HR manager, few people have applied for resignation process, so that I need to give the clearance. So these are the tasks I have been showing here, and then click on the top left side column, and then there we can see attendance and leaves. So if we are clicking on the attendance, if we are clicking on the punch in and punch out, so uska matlab anybody is on duty. If anybody is on duty, we can click on this. So as of now I'm in Ramakrishna Care Hospital, so that location is showing, and then punch in time is showing as 17:46, and we can put the punch out also. So once our duty is done, we can put the punch out timing. Maybe after completion of the duty, if we put the punch out, so that punch in and punch out will be calculated as in time and out time. If you click on that my attendance, we can see the entire month attendance. We can see in time and out time. If we are clicking on that HID red color column, if you are clicking on that, you can see in time, out time, date, time, and everything we can see. So this is how we can see the attendance. If we are seeing that any absent is there, we need to regularize the attendance. As I've shown in the earlier video, we can regularize our attendance, and in addition to that, we can see our personal profile details. We can upload our photograph here. All the data which has been uploaded by the HR department is showing over here. So date of birth, date of joining, designation, grade, department, and then family member details, everything is being appearing on the smartphone. Same way we can update the leaves also. See how user friendly is our Care Connect app. Why you are waiting? Just download the Care Connect app and do use the app.